Welcome to our channel, where we embark on exciting adventures and learn about the wonders of the world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of farm animals. From fluffy sheep to curious pigs, farm animals are an essential part of agriculture and provide us with food, wool, and companionship. Let's explore some of the incredible creatures that call the farm home. First up, we have the iconic cow. Known for their gentle demeanor and delicious milk, cows play a vital role in providing us with dairy products and meat. Plus, they're pretty adorable with their big, soulful eyes. Next, we have the clucking chickens. These feathered friends are not only excellent egg layers, but also efficient pest controllers, gobbling up insects and keeping the farmyard tidy. The fluffy sheep. With their cozy wool coats, sheep provide us with warm and cozy clothing fibers. Plus, they're quite clever and have unique personalities, making them a joy to interact with. And who could forget about the adorable pig? These intelligent animals are not just cute, they're also incredibly resourceful. From snuffling for truffles to turning compost, pigs are true multitaskers on the farm. Next, we have the horse. These magnificent creatures have been an integral part of agriculture for centuries, providing strength, speed, and companionship to farmers around the world. From plowing fields to pulling carts, farm horses are true workhorses. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Until next time, take care, and may your days be filled with the joy and wonder of the natural world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming adventures. And as always, stay tuned for our next exploration into the wonders of nature. Thank you!